What's going on, you guys? It's George and welcome back to my channel. Or welcome to my channel. Today I'm talking about a skincare line that has probiotics in it. If you have no idea what probiotics are, basically they're live microorganisms that are claimed to promote health benefits. And in this case, skin benefits. This is the Bebe Bella Probiotic Skincare System. I have a few products in here, and honestly, this video is kind of like an unboxing, first impressions type video. I have no idea what is in here and what they sent my way. I'm lucky to have actually received this from them for free to test out the products. So I'm kind of excited to see exactly what this company is all about and what they have in store for me. So if you guys are interested in this video, then keep on watching.
George.
It's George.
George, do feel lighter.
It's George.
You're real smart, aren't you, George?
Schirra.
It's George.
Schirra.
Check out how cute this box is. It's small, it's luxe, it feels like snakeskin faux, and I appreciate this. Now, BeBella is basically a company that's owned by a family since the 1950s. They studied and did a lot of research based on nutrition and health benefits of probiotics. And to me, honestly, the only thing that I'm familiar with that contains probiotics is stuff like yogurt and like nutritional foods. As far as skincare, I don't really know any skincare products that have probiotics in them. So this will be an experience. By the way, you can find out more information about BeBella at bebeandbella.com, which of course I'll leave a link in the description down below. They also have a men's skincare line, which I'm hoping they sent me, but we will see in just a moment. So let's dive in and see what is in here. First off, guys, like I said, this packaging is adorable. I did not even take a look to see what's in here yet, so this will be a surprise. Looks like that's a magnetic opening. Like that color. I feel like I have a shirt in that color. Appreciate that. We got some stuffing here. Cute. Oh, all right. And they sent over the probiotic toner, probiotic facial cleanser, and probiotic essence. All right, very nice. So the cleanser, of course, I'm not really going to try out in this video, but it seems like it's just like a basic cleanser. Removes dirt, protects skin, cleanses while leaving skin fresh and conditioned. So pretty cool. Packaging is very nice. This feels so freaking soft. And the products are made in Japan. Pretty cool. Appreciate that. All right, so we have a cleanser here. We have the toner, same box style, and we'll give this one a go in a moment. And the essence. So the essence, I'm wondering if this is a serum. I don't know. We'll take a look in just a moment. So just so you know, my face is actually cleansed. It is clean, but we want to go ahead and get this a little bit more hydrated. We need some hydration up in here. This is my basic Evian. And I want to take a look at this essence. This says probiotic skin inside and out clarify. And directions: after cleansing, apply 1 to 2 pumps morning and night over entire face and lower neckline for maximum visible benefits, coupled with our Bebe Bella probiotic supplements. So it seems like they have supplements as well. Cool. We're gonna go ahead and open this up. Very nice. And their packaging is very lightweight, but it looks pretty cute, I must say. I think it's plastic, but I like, if you can tell, it has a pumper on the top. So I like any products that have a pumper because it prevents you from actually putting your hand in the products or the solution. So that's pretty cool. Stay away from germs. 𝗀𝗄𝗏. Before I apply this, I want to check out the toner, because the toner for me is the first step within any skincare regimen that I have. Nighttime, daytime, anytime. I always put on my toner before I do anything. And here we have it. Same aesthetic as the serum. Very cute. Definitely appreciate that. This one's heavy. Plastic as well. The toner does say here, direction-wise, saturated cotton pad with toner and gently apply on face and neck to minimize pores and provide hydration and pH balance. The ingredients for this seem pretty promising, but I do have to say there's ferment ingredients in here. Definitely first time for that. I've never seen that before. I do not have a cotton swab up here, so I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit on my hands. My hands are cleansed. I always clean my hands before applying anything, just to make sure, you know, fully clean. And we're going to lightly just put a little bit on our palm. And this isn't too watery. I noticed is that it is watery, of course, but it's not like just pure water. Water is the first ingredient, obviously, on the list, but It does have a little bit of a scent. It's not like a major scent or anything. And of course, guys, this is just a first impression, so like I'm not expecting to be, you know, transformed after just applying this little bit right now, but first impression, pretty good looking in the mirror. Looking a little flushed right now, a little blushed, but nice. And I was thinking like probiotics. It says like live microorganisms, whatever you call it in here. Is it weird, right? It's weird just to like think there's like something living on your face from the skincare. It's a little weird kind of thought going on, but whatever. So as far as the serum goes, we'll give this a shot right now. And this is a decent size. It's 1 fluid ounce. Kind of like your basic size for any type of serum. Shake that up just a little bit. I think it said 1 to 2 pumps. 1 to 2 pumps, yes. So 1, 2. Well, the consistency is very nice. It's definitely thick, but it's not like a moisturizer type thick. It's not like creamy or anything. Ooh, a little does go a long way. 2 pumps is just enough for the face. Absolutely. Like it says to apply this on your neck. I'm going to need 1 more pump for my neck. But you want to stretch the skin, lightly tap. Again, there is no scents on this product, so I'm liking that. I'm definitely appreciating the no scent thing. I'm going to have to give the cleanser a go later on. And of course, guys, I will do a dedicated video on these products later on to see like how I like them after using it for, you know, some time. But we go up on the neck, the chins. All right. I'm feeling these products, guys. This is really cool. This is a very unique brand. I tried to get more information out about them on the website, but there's a very long about me, which I'm not going to bore you guys and like dive into all of it. Their claims seem to be kind of like every skincare line, so we will see, you know, how these work out down the road. But I like this. Their motto for the company is keep the laughter, not the lines. So it looks like BeBella is actually their women's line of skincare products. Not sure why they sent them my way, but you want to know what, guys? I'm open to trying any product when it comes to skincare. I know like men's and women's skin has a little bit of a difference, but I'm open-minded, so we will give this a go regardless. Their men's line looks like it's called 𝗀𝗄𝗄𝗏. From what it looks like online, they have pretty cool stuff. I definitely, if these work out well, I'll be definitely investing within the men's skincare line. Just to fill you guys in about how much these products actually run for, the essence goes for $60, the cleanser goes for $40, and the toner goes for $25. So I'm not gonna lie, the prices aren't too bad considering the amount you actually get with them. I know like the size really does matter when it comes to the price and the ingredients, of course. And also we want to know how the products perform. So I will be keeping you guys updated about how these products worked for me. And I know probiotics are something that I contribute within my diet, what I eat. And I had no idea that there's products like this on the market to contribute that type of lifestyle within your skincare. So I'm loving it, guys. Hopefully you found this video to be entertaining, beneficial, and if this is something you had no idea existed as well, let me know in the comment sections down below. Side note, how are you feeling about this Oscar de la Renta vintage long sleeve, oversized Puritan shirts? It's giving you Pilgrim. It's giving you maybe a little pea green baby diaper moment, but I'm liking how this fits. It looks pretty cool in the viewfinder. I'm feeling it. And yes, this is vintage Oscar de la Renta. I did not stutter. Don't forget to please give this video a thumbs up. And if you're not already, please subscribe to my channel. That'd be much appreciated. Goes a long way. Share this video and share the love. Also hit the notification bell because I upload videos weekly. So you might as well follow me on this YouTube journey. And my Instagrams are here as well, at 𝗀𝗄𝘄𝘆, if you want to give that a follow. But until next time, say thanks, give compliments, and think positive. And I'll catch you in the next video. Bye, guys.